In this video, we are going to see that if you want to get rid of activate Windows watermark that you see in all of the windows, whether you are in the desktop screen or you are using some other document, you always see that watermark on the bottom right in Windows 10. So here is how you can easily solve that and get rid of that. All you have to do is just go to the start menu. We have a simple setting here. Go to run. Right here, reg edit like this. If it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And here a little setting would be, we have to go in HK local machine. From here, we head over to system, and under system, we will see current control set. Open that up. And from here, we will drill down the services. Now in services, we can see a lot of options. So we have to write SV here. When you write SV directly on your keyboard, you will see this SVSC, SVSVC option. So once you click on that, you will see on your right, we have a couple of options. Here we have to click on this start option. When you open that, by default, the value will be set to 3. All you have to do is just change it to 4. Click OK. And after that, if you still see that watermark, don't worry, you just have to restart your PC. And after that, you can easily get rid of that like this, like I did. If I right click and show you in the taskbar settings, it's still the same version, but we are able to get rid of the watermarks. So just try this by yourself, comment down if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.